Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix two monitors, different refresh rates, shutters and lag problem. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search NVIDIA Profile Inspector and comes up GitHub first site. Click on it and scroll down and select NVIDIA Profile Inspector.zip and it start downloading. After getting download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, double click on the NVIDIA profile inspector and select more info option and select run anyway option and select yes. And now scroll down under common. You can able to see option multi-display mixed GPU acceleration. In default, it's set to single display performance mode. You just need to click on this drop down and select multi-display performance mode option. Now select apply changes option and it has been saved. After getting saved, you just need to close stuff here and right click on the desktop and select NVIDIA control panel and go to change resolution and select 1920 into 1080 and select the refresh rate of your monitor and select apply to save changes and select yes, and now a problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.